Hello, in this video I want to show you how to preview photos on KODAK PIXPRO. And to do this, first you will need to click on this button right here. Inside you will see all of the photos that you've taken on this SD card that is inserted. You can change between them by clicking on the left or right side of your joystick. And also you can click on, on the eye to change the filter for the photo. Then it will take a minute, okay. And then we can click on menu button, and here you can rotate the image. There's also options to change the colors or enable or disable HDR, adjust the photo with touch-up or resize it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.